Welcome to 2021 annual Southwell Ploughing match and show. Hope you enjoy Farmer Brown Gaming's look at the show this year.
Right, welcome back. As you can see, right, I can tell you a little bit of story about this. Not that I'm old. Right, so basically two of these in the field. There's one here, but two. Connect that to both of them. One releases and one pulls, and literally they plough the field. These stay still, that moves. Okay, so that stays still. This goes up and down the field by chains, ropes, and think about it. Do you really want that in a field? Compaction would be horrendous, but with this, don't know how much it weighs, but you know, yeah, a little bit of history. Now, I was told that by my father-in-law. He was told that by his father and his granddad, and yeah, it's quite emotional seeing that, even though we're 200 miles away from home. Nice to see you. Right, but of course the star of the shows, I don't care what anyone says, these are the star of the shows. So we've got a little grey case on metal tyres. Yeah, metal. There's no punches here. Well, obviously going down the road would be a bit hard, but yeah. That's how you used to cut grass. Yeah, you heard what I said. Cut grass. Cut most things, to be fair. With that. Yeah, we've come a bit of a way, haven't we? Right, if you read... Yeah. She's gone back old, didn't she? So, right, before everyone laughs, the next tractor is David Brown. And believe it or not, it ain't the blue and white you expect it to see. Look at that. That's its original colour. People don't really realise that. You know? And I'm going to say it quietly, the best tractor in the place. The best one. Well, one of the best ones. Right. So there we go. We cannot sit on it, but we can have the honour of looking at it. And that's good enough for me, to be fair. You know, I feel like a big honour just to be near it, let alone, you know, tiny. You know, you remember all the people that, I want to say, lost their lives by using this. Because there's no cabs, no air conditioning, nothing. You know? Anyway, moving on. There's one there, but we're not going to look at that one yet, because we've got a 165 to look at first. So this would be classed as a middle of the range tractor, to be fair, in its day. And we're going to go straight past the Ford, because we don't like Fords, we don't like Fords, we don't like Fords, we don't like... Yes we do, come on, we can't, you're here, so we get... She's probably seen better days, bless her. But she has got new filters. So that's something. Right. So, right, another 165 here. Let's try and do them in their right way, yeah? Okay. So it's not the same one, because the one I showed you is over there, and this is that one. And then we got another multi-plough. I don't really know the difference. What was the difference with it? The one we had didn't have it, and I can't see much of a difference, to be fair. I don't know. Where's the plough? I was going to play much. I mean, they probably see him working later, maybe. I don't know. So, right, 175. So it's slightly bigger than the 165 that we just showed you. Around about the same period. I think they're made at the same time, to be fair. I think they all caught some out around the same time. You know? So, yeah. You know. Right, so Massey Ferguson. Before it was called Massey Ferguson, as everyone probably does know, this was the original Ferguson. Ferguson 35, not the 135, the 35. I don't believe it was ever in gold. I think it was all in grey, to be fair. Someone's done that. Maybe, I don't know, might. I think it was all in grey. Sure, that was all grey. But anyway, it's here and it's basically prestige condition. I'm sure it was grey though. I want to say it was all grey, but there's another one over there in... God, I don't know. I'm going to research that one. I am going to have a research of that, because why would you paint it that colour if it wasn't that colour? It's not even a nice colour, is it? Oh, I don't know. Right, so we want any bikes for sale. There's bikes here for sale, you know, a load of bikes. No one wants bikes. See, this is the colour I thought it was in. Just silver. It's just silver. Just in grey, you know. I'm sure it was just in grey. But, I mean... You imagine that one is Massey Ferguson. And that's the Ferguson. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. I don't know what you think of that. I'm still trying to work it out. Right. There. I will get round all this. Right. I don't know much about little lorries. What I make out I do. Right, Bedford. Bedford, that was Leyland, I believe. Bit of information, Leyland, was that right? Anyway, that's that. We ain't come to see that. I don't know what that's doing there. We come to see these. Oh God, what have we got down here? Lovely trailer. I mean, that trailer is lovely. Bloody petrol legs. Right, so as you saw right at the beginning, the old Defender. Don't know what it's doing here. I suppose it's farm machinery, isn't it? But these are interesting. These are very nice. Milk. Leave that in the comments as well. Milk turns, I think. Imagine doing that with a 250 head. Yeah, your back would be heavy, wouldn't it? Right, so. Right, Fords and Son. So we didn't like the Fords. Well, we can't say we don't like this. This is where they started from. You know? They are what they are. Van Lemel. Ford Son. Right. I haven't got a bloody clue what this is. Did I swear? No, I didn't. Right, I've got a Caterpillar over here, I believe. It's not bad, but I believe this is an old original Caterpillar. Could be wrong. Could be barking mad. So much. Ah, this is what the old man was on about. This is what my old man used to plough a field with. Oh dear. Yeah, really. I ain't seen better days, but it's one of the oldest things here, probably. Right. So, do you remember the big tractor we saw first, second video? That's where it come from. Yeah. Yeah, you don't see many of these. You really don't. You don't see none of the new ones that much. So to see that is nice. Right, so here we go. No, two more, and then we'll be on to it. Two more. Okay. Got to do them in order because otherwise it's not fair. Right. So we had the 7. Was it 176, 175? Oh, look back. This is the 188. I think again around the same period. Might be a bit later. Earlier, sorry. No, later. Because I did improve the seat. Unless that's been done. Somewhere. Yeah.
About 10 minutes away from starting class 79.
Right, so we need to get on. 10 minutes, and then the show jumping will start. There's an old John Deere, look at that. You just gotta love them, ain't you? You just gotta love them. Right, that wasn't supposed to be in there. Right, number 165 is not the same one. Right, I'm gonna show you that, and then we're gonna go over to 3125. I believe I said that right. I haven't quite got it yet, so I don't really know. Yep, 3125. It's obviously a lot newer now. I mean, you could use this still, couldn't you? In the farm, quite easily. Not a problem at all, really. I wouldn't have no problems with it on my farm. Not at all. Don't know. In fact, I'd go as much as saying I prefer it because it's not all electronic and going to break down every 5 minutes. Right, international. I said international first for Case because obviously international was from Case. Case then took over and called it that, and then they got rid of the international altogether. So there you go. Right. I'm laughing because when I was 9, this seemed a lot bigger. Ford County, whatever you want to call it. It seemed a lot bigger when I was 9. You know. Second tractor, I think ever to have tyres exactly the same. There was a funny make, I can't think they're yellow. I can't think of them off by hand. So that's where it originates from. I believe it's quite a small county. I think the Ford County was, I want to say, bigger a little bit, but a power wagon, isn't it, in its day. Nowadays, probably not so much, but look at that, eh? Right, so that's all I can see at this moment in time. There is, right, Case, so we just saw a Case. I think the next one we go over to the Case store. There's a little Case store over there, and we'll have a look to see what they've got. I'll see you in a bit. Right, I know I said Case, but I was walking past and I bumped in to this. Now I'm showing you because it's the 8330. Not too sure if it is the biggest model, but not sure about engine size. But it is quite a size, isn't it, eh? It's massive. I mean, no wonder it's called the fast track. It looks like it's fast, just standing still, you know? Right. So 10 minutes. But yeah, make our way over. Now I want us to call this a shepherd's cabin. What do they call it? Shepherd's hut. There you go. That's close. Show you folks. He's done a lot of work there. I can get any closer. I'll try and do it individually for you. 1, 2. He's really, you know, he's done a lot of work there. Right. I haven't got a clue what this next tractor is. I've never seen one in the time I've been doing this, ever. I still ain't got a clue. I want to go with Caterpillar, but I don't think it is. I want to say Caterpillar because as I was doing Caterpillars. But I'm starting to realise they ain't all Caterpillars. Right, let's have a look to see what it is. Is there anything there to tell me what that is? Anything? Right, we've got something here. Do not climb. I'm not climbing. I am just leaning. I'm not climbing. No climbing here. No climbing. And that pulls this. So you got 1, 4. You know. Right, I've got to get over to the horse show. Otherwise we're going to miss it and she's going to kill me.
Thanks for watching Farmer Brown Gaming's production, and a big thank you to everyone who had anything to do with the show. We all had a great time.